let me show you how you can add your custom domain on Shopify store. So if you want to add your custom domain, for example, powersample.com or anything or webcams.com, you need to buy your domain name or to take the existing domain that you have bought somewhere, and you can add also on your Shopify store. So let me show you how you can add your custom domain name. So just select this add domain, then you click here add domain. Here you click add domain, then you'll be brought to this page. Now, as you can see, by default, once you create an account on Shopify, your account will be like this one. For example, I wanted my store to be called Webcams Plus. So it will be called Webcams Plus .myshopify.com. But I don't want this one .myshopify. I don't want this one. So why? Because it's not good in branding. So I want just to have maybe webcamsplus.com. And always I do advise you that to use .com. So I don't want this one, my Shopify, to appear on the search bar. So what I should do here, I can buy new domain, I can transfer domain, or connect existing domain. So if you have a domain name already bought on other domain names registrars like GoDaddy, like Namecheap or NameZero, and so forth, you can connect the existing domain here. You just click connect existing domain, then you can set up. You can connect from other registrars. Also, you can transfer a domain from other registrars to Shopify. So you can transfer your domain from maybe GoDaddy, from Namecheap, from NameZero, or any registrar that you have already registered a domain name. And if you never ever registered any domain name and you want to create a new domain name, so you just click here, buy new domain. So I'll click there, buy new domain. Then I'll be brought to this page, as you can see here. So the best, I told you that you should use .com. Let me try this one, webcam plus, maybe that one. Let me check. .com, search. Yes, this is available, as you can see it here. So if the domain name is available, you find that is a put a tick and a buy button here. So if you find a tick here that your domain name is available, you are ready to go. So you can buy here, just click buy, then you fill your information and you are ready to go. Thank you for watching.